Welcome to Lecture 35, Final Quiz and Self-Assessment. In this final section, you'll have the opportunity to test your knowledge and reflect on your growth in effective communication skills. Taking the final quiz and self-assessment helps reinforce what you've learned, highlights your strengths, and uncovers areas where you can improve. It's a vital step to ensure you're ready to apply these skills in real-life situations. Before you begin, remember to answer each question honestly. Take your time to reflect on your choices. There's no rush. What matters most is your understanding. Let's start with verbal communication. Think about how you make your message clear and how you keep your audience engaged. These are key to effective speaking. Next, consider your nonverbal communication. How do you use gestures, posture, and eye contact to support your message? These cues often speak louder than words. Active listening is crucial. Reflect on how you show others you're truly listening and what questions you ask to ensure understanding. Written communication matters too. Think about how you keep your writing clear and concise and how you choose the right tone for your emails and messages. When facing difficult conversations, preparation and strategy are key. Reflect on how you approach these situations and the techniques you used to resolve conflicts. Professional settings require special attention. Consider how you communicate during meetings and what etiquette you follow in virtual environments. For leaders, communication is about inspiration and sensitivity. Reflect on how you motivate your team and manage sensitive conversations. Now, take a moment to reflect. What communication skills have you improved? Which areas still need practice? How will you apply what you've learned in your daily life? Set clear, achievable goals for your communication journey. Track your progress and remember to celebrate your successes along the way. Effective communication is a lifelong skill. Practice regularly, seek feedback from others, and continue learning to keep improving. Explore additional resources like books, articles, online courses, and workshops to deepen your communication skills even further. Explore books, articles, courses, and workshops to enhance communication skills further. Congratulations on completing the final quiz and self-assessment. You've taken a major step towards becoming an effective communicator. Keep applying your skills for real-world success. Review your quiz results and update your personal communication action plan. Your journey doesn't end here. Keep learning and growing. Thank you for your dedication and effort throughout this course. Wishing you great success in all your communication endeavors. See you in the next and final lecture.